you hit the chat, tell all your girls. I'm scared to ask if we last time never.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, you guys. We're making this top here, very basic top, using the pattern we drafted in a previous video, and this one has sleeves too. We'll be using the sleeve pattern we used in a previous video as well. So as you can see, I folded the fabric, I put it on, and then I cut 2 pieces of that. So this is all you have, and then I cut 2 pieces of the sleeve as well. So let's get to the joining, the fun part. You guys, it's been so long since I posted a video. I think it's been 2 weeks. Yeah, life has been happening. I had exam, but you guys, I'm back now. So yeah, I'm just going to cut an interfacing for each of the 2 pieces I cut. So one of the pieces is going to be for front and one is going to be for the back. So for the front piece, I'm going to come down by 4 inches like that, and then I'll go outward like so by 1 inch. I want to create a little bit of an opening at the front part, you get. Yeah, so I'm going to cut it out. So this is what I have after doing that. This is it open. So you see what I meant by a little slit in the front. This is what I want to have at the front there. And so to cut the interface, I'm going to lay it over another piece of fabric, and I'm just going to trace out the top part there. Yeah, so this is what I have after cutting the interface, and this is what it should look like. So I'm going to lay it on the top facing the right side, and I'm going to go ahead and sew on these areas. And I also cut interfacing for the back piece and sew along the neckline. So this is the interfacing I've cut for the back piece. I'll sew along the neckline like so, and then I'll be back. So this is what I have for the back piece after stitching it on. Now to be able to flip it to the wrong side and make it flat, I'm going to cut notches. Just don't cut the thread you have sewn, just cut close to it but not on top of it. And then I'll do the same for the front piece as well. Cut, but be careful to not cut your line of stitching, otherwise it will just unravel. And then I'm going to flip it inside out, iron it, and top stitch. And then this is what I have after doing that. You don't necessarily have to top stitch afterwards, but I wanted that effect, so I did. And this is the back side as well. So now I'm going to lay the back side down, right side facing up, and then I'll lay the top piece on it, right side facing down, so that the 2 right sides are facing each other. And I'm going to join them at the shoulder. But you guys, I made a very big mistake. Do you know the fabric I'm using is not stretchy? So I was supposed to cut a zip, like a space for a zip on the back side of the fabric, and I did not. So I had to go in after the top was complete, unravel, and then make a zipper space. Please do not be like me. Cut the back so that I can insert a zip there. Okay, so now I've gone ahead to join the 2 pieces at the shoulder, and I'm going to attach the 2 sleeves we cut. So pay attention to how I've lined them up like so. Go ahead and sew on it, and then on this side too, like so, and sew on it. So this is what I have after attaching the sleeve, and then I've gone ahead to hem the bottom of the sleeve as well, and done the same for the other sleeve. Now I'm going to put them together like so. So this was looking like, okay, hold them with the wrong sides facing outward, and I'm just going to run a stitch from one side of the sleeve down to the length of the top, and then I'll do the same for the other part, after which I'll hem the bottom. And then that's basically it. I recommend using a stretchy fabric for this top. It makes things easier, otherwise attach a zip. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.